In this tutorial, you will learn how to input and edit project information using Setup. Specifically, we will look at how to navigate to Setup via the main view, edit project information in Setup, and also update a proposal with the most recent changes. Setup is found beneath the top left-hand bar in a toggle menu that lets you switch between seeing your proposals and seeing your map elements. You can click the little eye icon in order to turn on or off a map element in the map view. To edit the layers, click on the Edit button at the bottom of the menu. Once you've entered the editing mode, you will notice that your map layers have become interactive. This means that you can edit elements in the map, such as a building, by double-clicking on it. In this example, small nodes have appeared which I can use to make changes to its shape. It's also possible to input information about the building in the manual input fields on the left-hand side. As you can see, I'm now editing the height of one of the surrounding buildings by simply giving it a new height value. Similarly, you can edit your noise sources by clicking on Road or Rail on the left-hand side. Here you can input or edit information about speed limit and annual daily traffic, amongst other things. In some countries, road information is collected automatically from our data providers. If you want to draw new roads around your development, you can do so by clicking on the pencil icon. You can then simply draw a line, then give it a name and adjust the values on the left-hand side. The pencil tool will let you draw different types of geometries depending on which theme you're actually editing. So in this case, it would only let me draw lines to represent noise sources. However, if I was to edit my buildable area, I would be able to draw a polygon. You can also provide more advanced inputs on noise, including daily traffic distribution, as well as heavy traffic percentage. There are many other possible inputs you can give in Setup, including noise screens, existing buildings, building pads, or vegetation. However, now I want to show you how you can input different areas of interest for the view analysis using the View to Area input. Here you can define areas on the ground, such as a river or a park, that are either desired or undesired objects to view from your proposal buildings. Here I've already defined a river, but I want to use the pencil icon to also draw a roundabout. Here I'm now defining my roundabout. And then on the left-hand side, I'm going to give it an appropriate name so that I can recognize it in my view analysis. So when I now analyze my proposal, I'll know how many apartments or what proportion of my facade area has a view towards both the river and the roundabout. And this could be really interesting with regard to the pricing of the different apartments. If we navigate further down, we have analysis settings, including outdoor area requirement inputs, as well as an input for which sun date you would like the analysis to be run on. In the bottom right-hand corner, we also have some other settings. For instance, you can toggle between a 2D and 3D view, and you can also switch on and off different map views, including a satellite image as your background. In the bottom left-hand corner, we have something called the Assets menu, where you can upload geometries, images, and also is where your data orders are available. I now want to show you how you can use an uploaded image, such as a site plan, as the basis for drawing geometries into your building cards. I might, for example, want to include some of these planned future surrounding buildings in my scenario. So I'll draw them directly into the map while standing in the surrounding buildings card on the left-hand side. Simply draw the footprint and give it a height. Once you have finished inputting all your project information, you can click on Apply Changes in the top left-hand corner. You will then save the changes you've made and return back to the Analyze mode. The first thing you'll notice is a pop-up banner that prompts you to update your proposal with the most recent scenario settings. By clicking on Update Proposal, I'll trigger the analysis to be rerun with all my new settings. Last but not least, I will visit the little camera at the bottom to get back to the saved map angle that I looked at earlier. That was everything for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.